Back in November, I went to Mexico City with my assistant to scout for a future vegan group tour, and this is what we ate in a day on the last full day of Mexico City. And if you want to come along on the vegan group tour, which is happening in May, there's only a few more days to sign up for this trip. The bookings will close on April 20th, which is only just a few days later, so make sure if you want to come along. We are doing a vegan group trip in May in Mexico City, and you can see in this video how amazing Mexico City is. This was just one day, and it is such a fun city full of vegan options, full of culture, full of so many things to do. Definitely sign up. The link will be below to the full itinerary and to book now. Back to your video. Good morning. Last full day of Mexico City. Well, for now, we will be back for sure. And we are just heading to get some breakfast. This time we're trying out another taco place, another Mexican food place, because we are in Mexico. We're gonna see if we want to add this place to our itinerary. Yay! So let's go get some breakfast. Back in Roma Norte, our favorite spot. We have arrived at Pitaya. Is that how you say it? Pitaya Vegana. They are famous for their pink tacos. So they have pink shells, pink tortillas. I believe they are dyed with pink dragon fruit. That's our guess. It is a fully vegan establishment.
Green juice. And on the second day we walked to, but yesterday we walked in those. Yeah. And like, yeah.
And this one is the mollete. Part of the breakfast menu. And I got 3 tacos. I got my 3 tacos, my pink tacos. This one is the tofu one. And then I got the curry one, I believe that's the one. And then a cauliflower taco. And of course some coffee. Scrambled tofu.
It's Wawa. It's Wawa in here. Really good.
The tofu one's really good. Alright, let's try this one. This one is thick. Yeah. She is thick. Okay. Chilaquiles. It's kind of like nachos that are smothered in all this goodness. Looks delicious. It has chickpea chorizo. Chickpea chorizo added, and also it looks like we have some black beans. There's some onion and just lots of nachos and deliciousness.
How is it? The steam is going out. It's really
too
good,
hot.
but it's like really hot.
It's steaming.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh. The plate is hot.
Okay. Yeah, it's really hot.
Okay. All right. Let's make a little layer here. Oh yeah, tomato. You really don't like. No. Also, are you sure you're Mexican? A big part of your cuisine.
Oh my god.
Let's try it.
I like. There's this like tomato salsa, but it's like this, and I think it has like either like lemon or vinegar.
We are now in Xochimilco. We are in one of these boats. It's kind of like the thing to do when you are in Mexico City. You're supposed to come here, ride a boat. You can get drinks on the boat. As you can see, there's a bit of a traffic jam.
es una bebida fermentada que viene de una planta que se llama maguey.
Ah, okay, so it is plant-based.
Oh, it's huge.
También tengo micheladas si gustan, tenemos margaritas, tequila, palomas.
Too early. So we got a. So it's like a fermented drink similar to kombucha.
Tree plant?
Ooh, it's very interesting. It's kind of nice. It's like jelly almost.
Really?
It's like thick.
Oh, una reserva?
It's good. Yeah.
Oh. Does this have rum?
No, it's just fermented. That's why it tastes
Yeah.
like that.
Okay, so it's all
We should have told them to put tequila in there.
Yeah, it's kind of cute. We are now at the Frida Kahlo Park, which is close to the Frida Kahlo Museum. We're not actually going to the museum today. You actually need to book the museum tickets in advance if you want to go. Not sure if we're going to add the museum to the Mexico City tour, but that is an option that we are thinking about. We have made it to Na Talali restaurant. So this is a completely plant-based Oaxacan restaurant. Oh, very Hispanic food.
Pre-Hispanic.
Pre-Hispanic food. I thought you said very Hispanic. Pre-Hispanic food.
It's from Oaxaca and Veracruz.
Okay.
Two regions.
Two regions. So Oaxaca is supposed to have really good food, so I'm quite excited. All right, so we got a couple of agua fresca. This one is like guava and pineapple. It's super fresh. It tastes so good. So refreshing. Delicious.
This on the house.
Oh, on the house. We don't know what it is, but it looks good. So they just brought us these little appies on the house. Yay. This is nice. Okay, this is like a hot chocolate drink. Oh, this is so good. It kind of tastes similar to the thing that we were dipping the churros in a little bit.
That one with the bolillo, you dip it in there.
This is so nice. This is delicious.
They're made of plantain.
Ooh, wow, this looks so pretty. Here's some spicy salsa. Fried plantain with some mole. Okay.
I gotta get some of this mole business. Yes. Oh, in Oh, no, yeah.
Okay, I don't know how spicy this chili is, but we're gonna take a little bit. Well, there's some peanuts in here. Ooh. Oh my god, what is this?
Oh god, this is so good.
It's nice and sweet. I need some of this mole. Very unique flavors. I can definitely taste that plantain. Oh, that mole.
What is good? Well, let me try a little bit.
So the mole is giving chocolate slightly.
This is salsa matcha. Salsa matcha.
But it's not.
I'm just gonna dig it in here. This is delicious.
Based on 2 dishes only, this is, I think we got.
Did you get the same one? Oh, that's
Yeah, so I got those for, yeah.
Ooh, nah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Let's put them together.
Oh my god, it looks delicious.
That is the 3 different type of moles.
Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So it's one that you can have.
Amazing.
Yeah.
That looks delicious. And then this one is tacos. All right, here are the tacos. The tortillas look really nice and fresh and homemade. Looks absolutely delicious. Here is this mole dish. We have 3 different types of mole. This one is apparently the most traditional Oaxacan one, mole negro.
Perfecto, excelente. ¿Gustan algo más de tomar?
Okay. Very chocolatey. That is so good.
You know what I like? The monkey watery.
Oh, really?
I think this is one of my favorite tacos. These are really good.
Final things to try. I don't know how to describe these flavors. The green was definitely more mild, but it has like a really like kind of deeper, rich flavor. But I think I like the black one so far. Now I'm trying. I think this is the one we tried earlier. Out of control. It's time to try the taco.
Which one's the favorite one?
I know. I think I like the black one. I think that was my fave. Which one did you try? I think that was my favorite.
That is so good.
Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna add a little of this salsa. There's so many flavors happening in my mouth.
I think this might be mushroom.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
The mushroom or is the corn? Okay.
Some sort of vegan meat in here. Oh, I think it's made of mushroom. This is out of control.
If you guys want onion, let me know.
You don't like onion?
Not fresh onion. Caramelized onion, yeah.
Okay, so we got for dessert some tres leches. Yeah. Let's see what's inside here. Okay. Oh. Looks good.
If I have any more, I will need a hand.
But it's not.
All right. We have recharged because we were super tired, but now we're still tired. But we are on our way to Xochimilco, which is like the city center, basically. I have not been there, so Dee has not been there either. So we're gonna go check it out. Just get a drink, get a feel for the place. Here we go. Tough job. All right, we're getting the full Mexico City experience. We are getting on the metro. Oh no. So we survived the first train, barely. We had to wait 2 trains and then we had to push ourselves in. Don't recommend for the faint-hearted. It was a one and done deal. I think I've had my cultural experience. Oh, we made it, guys. We made it. We made it to Xochimilco station. We're alive, barely hanging on. Kahlo Square, which is this gigantic square. It's huge, and we're gonna see some of this dancing going on here. We got a show going on here. Secret place, got it.
Ese es el cuarto piso.
Oh, this is lovely. Are they expensive? How expensive are we paying? All right. So here's the drink. These ones have mezcal. It's strong. Yummy.
Yeah, this is good. So this is this one here, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that kind of feels like. Well, I didn't. Yeah.
We're gonna try this mezcal drink. You know what? That's not bad. So what are these drinks called again?
These are called mezcalitos.
Mezcalitos. And what did I get?
Cantarito.
Cantarito.
With tequila.
With tequila.
Woohoo!
This is my cantarito.
You know what's funny? My mom took a shot in here.
This is lovely.
The chamoy room is better too.
All right, the final stop of this jam-packed day is Plantasia. Okay, this is a completely plant-based Asian-style restaurant. They seem to have dishes from every Asian country. There's some sushi rolls, main dishes like udon, curry, pad thai, soups like tom kha. So they got like Thai style, Japanese style, and they also have gyozas and different types of dumplings. They've got momos, which are actually like from Nepal. So lots of different types of Asian dishes. We're just kind of here to sample a few dishes just to see how we like this restaurant. We're not even that hungry, to be honest, and it's like literally 10 o'clock and they're about to close, but we're gonna get a couple dishes just to check out and see how we like it. But it's a really cute vibe, cute restaurant. Hopefully the food is just as good as the vibe. All right, we got a strawberry milkshake. Yummy! That looks so good.
It does look good, one-sided.
Oh, that looks good. This is good.
I hope you enjoyed this day of eating in Mexico City and spending the day with us. If you like what you see and you want to come along on a trip with us to Mexico City in May, make sure you sign up now. The link will be below. Once again, there's only a few days left to book your spot before we close the bookings. So don't miss out, and hopefully we'll see you in Mexico City. Bye!